Clarity.fm Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Now let's get straight into it. Clarity.fm is a consultation platform that connects entrepreneurs with industry experts for one-on-one advice and mentorship. Unlike typical dropshipping tools that focus on automation, Clarity.fm is designed for learning, troubleshooting, and strategic growth. If you're a beginner struggling to get started or an experienced dropshipper looking for expert insights on scaling, advertising, or branding, this platform allows you to speak directly with successful e-commerce professionals. Features. The main feature of Clarity.fm is its on-demand expert calls, where you pay per minute to consult with specialists in dropshipping, digital marketing, conversion optimization, and more. The platform offers a vast network of vetted professionals, ensuring you get high-quality advice. There's also a search and filter system that helps find experts based on industry, expertise, and pricing. Additionally, Clarity.fm allows users to schedule calls at their convenience, making it flexible for business owners worldwide. You can also leave reviews and see expert ratings, ensuring transparency and helping you choose the right mentor. Strengths. Clarity.fm's biggest strength is direct access to real experts. Instead of sifting through generic YouTube videos or blog posts, you get actionable, personalized advice. It's also time efficient, allowing you to solve specific problems in minutes rather than spending hours researching. The platform covers a wide range of topics, from product sourcing and Facebook ads to email marketing and branding, making it valuable for both beginners and advanced dropshippers. Lastly, pay-as-you-go pricing means you only pay for the time you use, making it a flexible and cost-effective option compared to expensive coaching programs. Weaknesses. The biggest downside is cost variability. Expert rates vary significantly, and high-level consultants can be expensive. Additionally, while Clarity.fm provides excellent advice, execution is still on you. It doesn't automate tasks or directly improve your store's performance. Lastly, finding the right expert can take time, as not all consultants may align with your specific needs or budget. Final verdict. If you want personalized expert guidance on dropshipping, marketing, or scaling your business, Clarity.fm is a valuable resource. It's perfect for those who prefer direct mentorship over trial and error. If you're willing to invest in expert advice and apply it effectively, Clarity.fm can significantly accelerate your success. Check out the links in the description to learn more.